AngularJS Filters. So in AngularJS a filter is a function that formats and values of an expressions. So for display to the user, so here currency, we have the currency filter. So this currency filter means this filter will be used for numbers as well currency. Okay, and after that date, so this will be the date formats, and uppercase and the lowercase. Okay, uppercase and lowercase, and limit to. Okay, so these filters will be using in real-time example as well. So limit to here, after that filter. So here the uppercase, which letters it is there in a lowercase, so that should be, it is move into the uppercase. Here also the same thing is happen. Which is the uppercase we have in that code level, so it should be changed into the lowercase. So limit means what? We need this many characters, so we need this many numbers, so like that we need to set that limit of items over there. So this is the filters. Here this is the filters means it is based on completely array. So in that array, what is the array? The collection of alphabets. So in that collection of alphabets, this collection of characters, it should be there in the programmatically. So that will be it is, you are going to search the any letter in the search bar. It should, what happened there, it is yes, you are searching yes. So in that yes, it is all are, it is what the S characters is there, S name it is there, so all that it will be present. So after that, suppose you are going to searching any alphabet like A something, so that all are, it will be filter same thing. So in that type of scenario we are going to use the filters. Okay, in the limits and currency. In the currency also it will be changing rupee, USD something. Okay, so the symbol it will be represented. So in the basic syntax we are going to use here using using interpolation. So that is call it as ng model. Also we are going to write here. So we are writing here expression. This is a pipe what we are going to use. So separated here, which you need, that is a filter name you are going to take. So what is the filter name? Here I am going to taking the currency. So here the currency name, currency, and here parameter you need to pass. Okay, so like that it will be happens. Okay, so after that here expressions means here which the value of the data which you need to transform, so that the expression you are going to calling. Here the filter name, here already we know, here this is a filter name. Filter name means what is the type of filter you are going to getting here, that is the filter name you are going to add here. So this is the parameters. So the parameters means it will be optional. If it is need or not something, you are going to pass some param over there. So that is the syntax what you are going to follow in your filters concept. Okay, so first what we need to do, so we need to take one file. So it should be there in our C drive here. So in C drive users, Jayashree, so sample app. Okay. So here in the app we need to use we need to open src. Okay, we are going to open this Angular folder, so it is there in the cache something. So okay, we need to open this one. So code space dot enter. So already we have. So now my question is how to create the component here. So in each and every concept we are going to creating one component. So here we are going to creating one component, and we are doing giving to the route to in module.ts. So we are doing like that. So after how it will be means I'll tell you. So now what is the command nggc. So here the component name filters. So what happened here? TS file spectre.ts is created, TS is created, CSS and HTML. So 4 files is created here. So after that we need to run this component, right? So what is the command for running this component? Ng serve. So Angular serve. So it is the default port will be created. So that is the local host 4200 means that is Angular port. We need to remember this thing. Okay, this is also interview question. Please remember this thing. Okay, so the previous one is there, and here you are going to what you have created now, filters, right? It is there in the down the B. So see here the folder. So here we don't want this spec.ts, so you can delete this one. So after that first what we need to do, we need to give the route. So go to the first step, first we need to go to app.html. This is the parent folder. So you can give the route here, filter. Okay, what the component name we have created, that is filters. Okay, so you can comment this one as well. Okay, so this one we need to import. Where we need to import? We need to import this is also, you don't need this one and you can delete. So we need to import app.ts. So you can comment this one. Okay, so we need to do import here. So import, and after that what we need to do, that is filters. Already the hint is there, you can use that hint. Okay, so comment this one, and here I'm going to add that is filters. So we need to call filters. Okay, so successfully it is created. So we need to kill the part and I can run again. So again you need to follow and this link, filter works. So here what happened, first we need to take pass some controls here. Okay, I'm going to pass first we need to write the logic in our TS file. Okay, so here I'm going to take the logic. So here I'm going to declaring scope dot items equal to, I'm going to pass the values in array. So name, here I'm taking apple. Okay, and after that price 100 I'm passing here. Next, here also the same thing, I'm going to take this one. So here banana I will pass. So here I'm taking value. So array I'm passing here. Okay, array I'm passing here. So here orange, okay, so there is something error is found here. So what the error we will see. So unexpected identify, where line number 10. Okay, so member implicity, so unexpected, so it is outdated. We will search this one here. This is, you need to talk with ChatGPT. This is code. Okay, and this is error. So the problem is URL is not founding. So we need to take the URL, the same thing it is follows. Okay, so we need to take this one. Okay, so the scope is not accepting here. So scope, why it is not accepting, it is outdated. Okay, so that's why it is not accepting. Scope, it is outdated. Now it is not accepting in Java. Instead of that we are using the arrow functions and all the things. Okay, so here I'm going to take this is filters. Okay, so here I'm going to take diff. So in diff it is nothing but container, so ng controller I'm taking here. So what, Angular controller I'm taking. Okay, Angular controller, here my controller, input type text, here I'm taking ng model here search text I'm taking. Okay, so the placeholder means hint of the text. So here I'm passing hint of the text, that is search by name. Okay, something I'm passing. So we don't have the ending tag for input. So in URL, what is URL? URL means an order list. Okay, so li means what? List of items. So here I am passing ng repeat item in item. So here I am adding filters now. Okay, filters, here search text I'm adding. Wait, here it is coming, right? So you can use that in search text, you can use this one. Okay, so I am binding that one, so you can use that one. So ending this. Okay, so I am getting the value for that. So what is that? Item name, item dot items dot name we need to get here. Okay, so item dot name, here we need to pass item dot price. Okay, here currency, so we are passing currency something, right? So already we know how to pass this one, so currency. So that's it. So here I'm going to run this. We are getting some error as of now. Line number 13. So here the Copilot also there. Okay, so you can use Copilot as well here, but here it is not updated one, so we will see. So it is taking ng model. Okay, so here also, so directly it is not using, so ng model it is using. So but here the filter, the text, currency, you don't want to use this. So for pipe we need to import, I think so, we will see. So we need to import the pipe first. So why? Because this is a third party library what we are going to use here. Okay, so this is a fixes one, so we need to import in our app.module.ts, or else you can use here also. Okay, so you can use this one. So again it is getting something error. ng for it is not binding, so we will see once. Filter.ts. Okay, so it is following Angular 8 version. It is not following the latest version actually, so that's why we are getting. So the currency pipe we have declared here. Yeah, so something error is getting. We will fix this today. Warning. No pipe found in the filter name. So here the pipe is there. Pipe is there. Item.pipe dot. Yeah. It's continuous within this template app. So how many types we have? Date we will ask. Okay, currency it is not supporting. I think from the backend we need to write API call and we will get the thing here. I think so. So we don't have currently any API calls here. So we will see. Date also it is accepting or not the pipe using pipe transformation. We will see. the date. Okay. So again the currency pipe, is there the warning? Okay, we will remove that. Okay, so it is running. Okay. So date formats is printed. So how the date, which date you are going to select, that will be printed here. So filter the date order by. Okay, so suppose you are taking October 10, so this is the order tree. So like that we have written. So what happened here? Okay, so here what happened means, so
కరెన్సీ కూడా వచ్చినట్లుంది అక్క 200.
కరెన్సీ కూడా వచ్చింది చెప్తా. So we have taken amount here, right? Dot amount we have taken, so that's why it is printed the currency. It is not currency actually, that is amount. So currency means what? Symbol. So it is presents the symbol over there. So what we have passed in array, we will check. Okay, so we have passed in array orders, date and amount. So that's why it is printing what it is printing. It is printing dates, that is the calendar, and after that orders. So this order 1, order 2, something. So amount it is printing. Okay, so like that. So this is will be used in real time example, food and any bookings of tickets.